It's June. Pete. It's June. Kate. Holiday? Pete. No, it's exam time. Kate. First exams and then holiday time? Pete. No holiday this time. I have to complete cleaning the big white gate. Kate. Big white gate? Pete. Yes, it's the big gate on Nicolson Road. Kate. That gate? It will take a long time. Pete. Yes, I know. I dislike it, but I will rake in lots of cash if I complete it before the end of June. Kate. I can help you after 5 if I can leave my bike inside the shed next to the gate. Pete. Yes, that's cool. If I can use your big hose, we will finish in no time. Kate. You will have lots of cash, so please ask me out for a date. Pete. It's a deal, and we can dine in a fine fast food shop. Kate. No, I want a date in a 5-star bistro. Pete. What?